WineText.com, as many of you already know, features a ton of 90-point wines from wine critics from around the world. But that's kind of a broad statement because there are a ton of wine critics, now more than ever. And so when you're looking for new wines to try, it's almost important to recognize which critics tend to kind of match more what you like, right? Because your palate is different. Everybody's palate is different. So if you look at the list above, this is just some of the ones that came up from Google. Robert Parker, who obviously is long retired now, but Robert Parker's Wine Advocate still in existence. A lot of people know James Suckling here in the U.S., Neil Martin, Antonio Galoni. Jancis Robinson, a phenomenal critic, but based overseas, not here, and rates on a scale of 20 points, not the normal 100-point scale, I should say. It's a scale of 20 points. Lots of other really good critics on this list. Tim Atkin, right there, you'll see he's actually a master of wine. Puts out a really good publication every so often from different areas around the world, Burgundy, Spain, Argentina, so on and so forth. And each region has their own wine critics that most people may not know about here domestically. So it's good to do your research. It's good to find a critic you identify for when you're evaluating new wines to purchase. WineText.com tries to do a good general batch from everyone.